Hey, Talking Ears Off here, and today I'm here with and we have a 9-inch screwdriver. I don't know why I was about to say 8. We have a 9-inch screwdriver, and right here we have a frozen water balloon. Let's see how it takes against this.
Oh, you described how
I did. Oh yeah.
right there.
Oh look, you can see.
Oh look, here it is.
Like,
Here it is. See?
Oh man, look, it's just frozen ice. It's crazy.
I'm
There's
gonna,
even a little bit.
I'm gonna
Oh,
decide.
just be quiet.
It's been cracked right there.
All right. Yeah, it's a little bit cracked because when we were freezing it, it just froze the outside of it. So we had to crack it so it could freeze the inside.
So
and it's just pieces. All
There
right.
used to be
Ready?
a little bubble right here, but we popped it.
Here we go. 9-inch screwdriver versus water balloon. See who wins. Oh man, that's pretty hard. It's frozen solid. Oh man, I really thought it'd survive this. I don't know why, but
It actually kind of is.
and look at that. Here we go. See that?
Look at that.
It's just like kind of just ice. It's frozen solid.
Clean it out there.
Are you okay? Sorry. I think I got like ice in his eyes. So ready? This is what I did when I just whacked it with the side. Let's see if it does it again. Here, hold on. There you go. See right here, did it. Side. It's just completely destroyed. So we're gonna use the same water balloon, but for our next video, which is going to be, hey, stop destroying it. Alright, which is gonna be throwing it off of the playset in our backyard. So yeah, please like and subscribe.